Hello Unanimous Friends! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I'm Euanne Hyuna. So today video, gagawa tayo ng napakasarap na chocolate ice cream using the 3 ingredients only without using a machine. Yes, without using a machine. So, patatagan ito ng braso. This is our ingredients. We will needing all-purpose cream. You can use whipping cream or heavy cream, condensed milk, and cocoa powder. To proceed our processing procedure, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click the big subscribe button down and notification bell to notify you for my latest video. Let's be friends! Let's start now. Unanimous friends, madali lang itong gawin. So first, we needed a bowl. So much better kung ilalagay nyo muna sa ref ito para mas malamig. Ayan. And then, we will needing the all-purpose cream. I use 1 pack and then a small pack. You can use yung parehong malaki nito kasi wala nang available sa tindahan. So, yung maliit na lang yung nabili ko, 125 ml. Mas maganda kung i-store nyo muna ito sa refrigerator ninyo para mas madali itong i-whip. Ayan, kung makikita nyo, ganito ang itsura pag nilagay ninyo sa ref. Now, start na natin yung whisk. After 8 minutes na pag-whip dito sa ating all-purpose cream, ganito na yung itsura niya. Ayan. Much better kung whipping cream yung gagamitin nyo or heavy cream para mas thicker to. And then next, lalagyan natin ng half cup of condensed milk. Simutin natin yung condensed, sayang. Okay, then set aside. And next, lagyan natin ng half cup of cocoa powder. And half cup of cocoa powder. Then mix it well. Haluin lang natin mabuti hanggang maghalo yung cocoa powder, all-purpose cream, and then yung condensed milk. Ayan, Unanimous Friends. Pag ganito na, wala na yung mga cocoa powder dito, pwede na natin ito ilagay sa molding or sa container. Unanimous Friends, dito ilalagay sa container, molding. Kung makikita ninyo, napaka-smooth ng ating chocolate ice cream. Ayan. Dapat ganito yung texture niya. Wala nang buong cocoa powder. Okay? or ilalagay natin to Unanimous Friends sa freezer overnight or 8 hours para tumigas yung ating chocolate ice cream. Okay? Unanimous Friends, if you like this video, don't forget to like and share and click the big subscribe button down and notification bell to notify you for my latest video, because you got me and I got you. Just leave the message in the comment box below and I'll be back to you, I promise. Let's be friends. I love you. Bye.